Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro dollar, we've been pushing down very hard. We have now taken out these lows, so we really need to start paying very close attention for a possible turn back to the upside. I would definitely expect the turn to happen at one of these fib levels, but it could literally happen to any one of them. So keep in mind that it might end up trying to push down further before it actually does end up going back up. Taking it down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, I think that we're in that 3-3-5 pattern like I've been talking about for a while. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down. We are at a 50% and we have taken out the lows finally. So, the price could definitely end up breaking up at some point. To me, it looks like a 1, 2, 3. So it needs to make like a wave 4, a wave 5, and then a break of structure. Which, like I was saying, it doesn't necessarily have to happen now. It could possibly go down to a lower fib level and give us the break of structure. So anyways, let's keep going down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame is where you can see what possibly is a 1, 2, and 3. I still think that this wave looks a little too small to be a complete wave 3, which is why I honestly still wouldn't be surprised if it did end up making a lower high, and continue the downtrend. Most wave 3s do go to around the 161.8 and we're only to the 123.6 Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the top of wave 2. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we definitely have been going up for the last few days, and so we had a pretty big gap that, it looks like the gap did get filled, so that's good. It looks like this is likely an A, a B, and it looks like we possibly could go up for a C before we actually do end up continuing down. If price does decide to go up and break this structure right here, then I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs, but unless that happens, I will definitely be primarily only looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it looks like price did basically fill that gap right there. This definitely looks like an uptrend to me, so that's why I'm saying that it's likely an A, possibly a 1. Looks like price made 3 waves down right here, which is why I think it's either a B or a 2. I think it's more likely an AB, but it could be a 1, 2, 3. If it is a 1, 2, 3, then it might bounce off some fib levels, but it will not break structure and it will go up and take out this high, which definitely will turn me into a long-term buyer. But I think it's more likely another ABC correction, so I would pay very close attention to my Fibonacci levels, and I would be looking for a sorting opportunity at a fib level. I'd be looking to see if it respects a fib level, makes a nice engulfing move to the downside, and if it does, that would be my wave C, and that would be my next sorting opportunity. So I would be very cautious about going long, because even though I drew it out as this, it doesn't necessarily have to do that. It could literally just go up to this lower fib level and just continue the downtrend, which is why I'm primarily still only looking for longs in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.